Hi GenStone, it's Melinda and Jason here. We just wanted to show you our project that we did for our front porch and our retaining wall. So we bought this house 5 years ago, and there was actually real stone around this porch area, and for the last 5 years we've been gluing and re-gluing these stones back on, so we looked for a different option. Zach at GenStone was great. He gave us the perfect measurements for us to be able to cut and do this by ourselves. It took us a Saturday to complete it, and we are really happy with how it turned out. This was just a retaining wall made of cinder blocks, and I've always hated it since we moved in, and now it just has a lot more curb appeal. So we're very happy with the cost and how easy it was to install.